BBBY stock is in trouble. Let's go over what happened. So we have some news with BBBY stock, Bed Bath & Beyond. According to Yahoo Finance, Bed Bath & Beyond makes desperate move while teetering toward bankruptcy. This article was published on January 27th, 2023. If you're holding BBBY stock right now, this is going to be really relevant to you. Our Discord group is making some money consistently. We actually bought the stock called BZFD yesterday at around $2. And yes, the stock did go to about $4 today. So if you're looking to make money in the stock market, make sure to join our free Discord. Bed Bath & Beyond stock, a source told Yahoo Finance that the company informed workers on Thursday that all its Harmon brand stores would be closed as the embattled retail continues on its downward trend. Okay, Harmon brand stores. So basically, Harmon, which mostly focused on the sale of beauty products, operated about 52 stores in 6 states. So this is like a subsidiary of Bed Bath & Beyond. According to the company's most recent annual report, a store employee at the New York City location told Yahoo Finance they were informed of their store closing this week. Okay. After publication, Bed Bath & Beyond spokeswoman Julie Strider responded to a request for comment. As we consider all past and strategic alternatives, we continue to work with our advisors and implement actions to manage our business as effectively as possible. So essentially, they are downsizing, right? Bed Bath & Beyond is downsizing. So they're in a desperate move, desperate struggle to avoid bankruptcy. They don't want to go out of business. And how does this actually affect the stock market? Well, this article was published on January 27th, today, right? And how did it affect the stock, BBBY? Well, if we look at the stock itself for the chart for confirmation, then we'll be able to see how this news actually affected the stock. So this news can be good or bad because the company itself is trying to save itself. But at the same time, if they have to close down stores and downsize in order to save themselves, then that's typically not a good idea. That's typically not a sign of strength, right? And that's exactly why the chart is not that great right now. And so let's take a look at the chart. So BBBY, it did tend to be the latter, right? Because BBBY was at 365 on January 25th. On January 26th, the price dropped from $3.30 to about $2.40. Okay, and then finally, the stock today dropped from $2.60, and again now it's at about $2.50. Okay, at lows. So at the lowest, it was at $2.28. It was even $2.10 yesterday, but it's looking to find some support now. So BBBY will likely rally at least one more time, but it's down substantially, right? And any trader who bought in BBBY while it was over here, right, at 587, they've now lost 50% of their money or more. They've lost 50% of their money. There are a lot of traders who are down 50% on BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond stock, and they're still waiting for it to go to $10. If that's you, then you need to be watching this channel as often as you can, because I go over how you need to take profits when the taking the profits is good, right? At one point, you're probably up on this trade. But if you don't take profits when the profits are there, then there's going to be no change to your bank account. You can't win the trade if you don't take profits. So taking profits is going to change your entire profit and loss. So you're not going to lose money anymore. You're going to start making money. Just like me and my students did on BuzzFeed, right? Our BuzzFeed, when we bought it at $2 and it went to over $4.25 today, and we actually said to sell it right there at the top. I was talking about selling it myself. Look at that. Okay, BuzzFeed right here. Selling. I can see BuzzFeed coming to 415, at which point the chart will likely weaken or dump violently. It didn't go to, it went to 415, all right. In fact, the top of the stock was 425, and I published this comment 9:15 to 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is live, right? This is live where I support the traders and I help them, and I told them that $4 is where I'm shorting, and I'd close the short at 352, right? And I did. Short closed on BuzzFeed, closing short, and the stock was at about 340 at the time. I talked about how 347 is my next short target. All right. So it was perfect trades, right? Winning trade after winning trade. Of course, that's why all my students love me. And because I make them money, right? I'm going to make you money too. So other news, we called out a short squeeze on BBAI. We called out a short squeeze on NEGG. See, buy here. The stock went all the way up there. BBAI, right? That was actually called out. Wow, that one went up like a good 50%, right? So NEGG and BBAI, both of those squeezed, right? Called out on January 19th here in the Discord. But BBBY, it's not showing that same strength. BBBY is in a downtrend. It's now from 587 all the way down to 228. If you are holding BBBY stock, now might be a good time to get out. You may want to wait until 285. Maybe you can get some kind of small rally there. But overall, the chart has weakened. BBBY is no longer the strong stock it once was. If you're expecting for this thing to go back to $10, that may never happen. How would you know the future? How would you know if the BBBY is going to somehow come up with some massive loan? How? How would anybody know that? That's why I'm telling you right now to be careful with BBBY, to think about closing your position somewhere and salvaging what money you have left, because at least it's still at $2.50. At least it hasn't gone to $1 or $0 like PRTY was completely delisted. Just because a stock has an announced bankruptcy does not mean you need to buy it. Bankruptcy does not mean buy. That's not something. I know that there's a lot of YouTubers out here which will tell you to buy a bankrupt stock. How has that turned out for you in the past? How is it turning out for you right now? Now is the time to make money, to choose the best stocks, to choose the strongest uptrending stocks, to get in them and to take advantage, because the market does seem to be pulling up now. If you guys follow these trades, and if you guys follow the plan, and if you guys buy in these stocks at a good price and then sell at a good price, you need to take profits, then you will make money. I'm here to prevent you from losing money. My name is John Coda. I'm a professional day trader. You guys have an amazing rest of your day.